Okay.
Well, it's truly our honor to be able to help out because with any community, we are just one part of it, and we're glad to be here and glad to be able to help. And we're going to do our part to continue to be a good community partner for the county, for the city, and hopefully for our residents.
Yes, sir. When we say the term God sent, well, you guys are true God sent because I can assure you that these are desperately needed right now at a time of severe shortage, not only in Texas, but in the entire United States. So. So instead of being here, 7 days a week, 8 hours a day, going through all that.